Jars are popping, markers squeaking, brushes tapping, doors are creaking. Most things make a sound, let's give it a try. Pull the tape, snipple with scissors, let's all dance and wiggle our whiskers to the shaking of googly eyes. Let's make and shake and let's create some crafty rhythmic sounds. Such a crafty way of getting down. We're gonna craft things, tap things, rat tat tat things, oh so crafty rhythm. Let's make something together today. Let's make some crafty rhythmic sounds today. It's me, Baby Box. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own puzzle.
Oh, can I help? I love a good puzzle.
Sure. To make the puzzle, we need wooden sticks, tape, markers, some trusty glue, and any other little doodads you want to decorate with. The wooden sticks are going to be our puzzle pieces.
Cool.
First, you need to line the sticks up
Doing it.
and tape them together so you can draw a picture on it. Now turn your wooden sticks over so you can draw your picture. You can draw anything you want. I'm going to draw you, DJ Catnip.
Oh, well, make sure you get my good side.
Some red for DJ's hood, some purple for the face and the legs, a little green, and there. Now I'm going to use my trusty glue stick to add some doodad decorations. Boop,
Oh, yeah. And I'll draw some music notes. Boop, boop, boop.
boop, ta-da!
Wait, is that a puzzle or a mirror?
Now comes the puzzle part. Take the tape off the back of the sticks and mix all the sticks around. Now we get to put the puzzle back together. Let's start with this piece, with the green pom-pom. Then add this one to match up with your stripy leg.
Ooh, this one has some more stripy legs and some of my hood on it. And this one has my eye on it.
This one matches with your red sparkly hood. Ooh, this one goes here. And the last piece goes right here.
Ta-da! I'm all back together again. Man, I love this puzzle.
Me too. I can't wait to see what you make with your puzzle. Bye!
We're trying to come up with things to make with these paper cups. Any ideas?
Oh, I have a crafty-rific idea. Hang on. One of these, a couple of these, my trusty glue stick, and cutty. This goes here. Ta-da!
Oh, it's a paper cup pandy. Fantastic.
Wow, Pandy! That looks just like you.
Hey, Bandy. What googly eyes you have. I love it. Thanks, Baby Box.
Okay, everybody, grab a cup and let's get crafting.
I'm going to use this cup to make a Baby Box kitty cup.
It's got polka dots just like me. Yay!
Who are you going to make, Baby Box?
I'm gonna make a Mama Box kitty cup for my mama.
I'm gonna make the Gabby cat who lives in the bedroom and has colorful stripes. Can you guess who that is? Pillow Cat, yeah!
I'm using yellow paint to make Mama Box's dress.
And I'm painting the top of my cup pink to match Baby Box's hair.
Okay, now let's cut out some triangles for the ears. Cutty. Then grab your trusty glue stick and glue them on. Boop, boop. Time to add the face.
I'm gonna use googly eyes for Pillow Cat.
Rosy cheeks for Baby Box.
I need something long and skinny to make a kitty tail. What should I use? The pipe cleaners! Yeah! This is the perfect pipe cleaner for Pillow Cat's tail.
Ta-da!
What do you think?
Wow, these kitty cups are crafty-rific.
Thanks for showing us how to make them, Baby Box.
You're welcome. Did you you know you can make safari animals out of food? It's true. And Keiki here is going to show you how to make my favorite safari animal. A lion. Rawr!
Rawr! Hello.
With a little help from my pal Parrot.
Rawr! A lion. Rawr!
Parrot really likes lions.
Rawr! I love lions. I love lions.
See? And to make our lion, we could use a bowl of veggie dip.
Ooh, veggie dip.
This is going to be the lion's face. You'll see. Let's add 2 black olive eyes. Boop, boop.
Rawr! 2 black olive eyes.
A little red pepper nose. And mouth.
Rawr! Red pepper nose, red pepper mouth.
Now for the lion's mane. We need lots and lots of orange pepper sticks.
Rawr! Lots and lots.
Boop.
Rawr! Orange pepper stick. Orange pepper stick.
Wow, it really looks like a lion, right? And now for the finishing touch. 2 cucumber ears. Boop. Boop.
Rawr! It's a lion.
Right. Want to give it a try, Parrot?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
A roaring good dip.
Roaring good. Rawr!
Thanks for making a lion safari snack with me.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy Purrs Day.
Happy Purrs Day, Baby Box.
I'm so excited. I've been waiting for Purrs Day all week, and it's finally here. Look. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Purrs Day. The biggest cat party of the year.
I love the Purrs Day Peekaboo kitty you drew.
Oh, that's part of my special Purrs Day surprise. I made a whole bunch of Peekaboo kitty paper dolls. I'm going to hang them all around the music room for the big cat party.
Those are podtastic.
Thanks. You want me to show you how to make them?
Yeah.
Me too. I don't know how to make Peekaboo kitties yet, but I'd love to try.
Hooray! Let's get crafting. To make Peekaboo kitty paper dolls, you start with a big piece of paper. Fold your paper accordion style, under, over, under, over. Now you draw your Peekaboo kitty. Just follow me. Make a big round shape at the bottom. And you go up to make the arm. Oh, and this is an important part. You gotta let the arm go all the way to the edge of the paper, like this. Then curve up to make the head and the little kitty ears. Then down to the other arm. Ta-da! 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 Now you keep your paper folded and cut out your kitty. Cutty, cutty. This is my favorite sound. And when it's all cut out, we get to open it up. I love this part.
Let's all do it together on the count of 3.
Aw, the hamster kitties want to see too.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
It worked.
All the Peekaboo kitties are holding hands.
Now let's give them kitty faces. 2 little kitty eyes, a kitty nose, and a happy kitty mouth. Now you could decorate your Peekaboo kitties with paint, jewels, pom-poms, whatever you want.
They're so colorful.
Ooh.
It's like they're all dressed up for Purrs Day.
I'm going to take our peekaboo kitties to the music room and hang them up for the Purrs Day party.
Okay. I've got something special for you today. It's a DJ Catnip Purr Stick. Purr. I love that sound. And I'm going to show you how to make one. You ready? All right. The first thing you'll need is a paper towel roll. You can decorate yours any way you like. I painted mine with some funky stripes, just like mine. Wiggly, wiggly, wig. Now we gotta close up one end with this piece of felt and rubber band. Now here comes the funky part. Whoa, this is some groovy foil. Now we're gonna put these inside our painted roll. You ready for the secret musical ingredient? Sprinkles! These sprinkles are gonna bring all the purrs. Trust me. That's what I'm talking about. Now close up the other end. And if you want to make it extra funky, you can draw a kitty face on each end. Aw, yeah! Now we can purr together. Purr. Happy Purrs Day, y'all!